channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I just wanted to quickly jump on here and do an intro. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my morning routine, and I will share with you guys some tips and things that I do to have a good, productive morning. So I figured this video would be helpful for some of you guys who are working from home and you just want to get your day started, get in the right mindset, because things can get kind of foggy in quarantine. So if you guys want to see how I get my day started and try to have a productive morning, then definitely please keep watching. I love you guys, and let's jump into the next clip of me sound asleep. So most mornings I will sit in bed for a couple of minutes after my alarm goes off. I actually ended up sleeping in an extra hour this morning. I normally try to wake up at 8:30. Today I woke up at 9:30, so I'm not sure why I'm not jumping out of bed to get my day started, but this is the reality of the situation. She's up! So Alex normally works late, so he sleeps in a lot later than me. So if he was up, I would make my bed at this point, but he's still sleeping, so I try to neaten up my side of the bed a little bit, but making your bed is definitely important. And then I like to open up the blinds in my living room. I love just lighting up my living room, having light, and just, I don't know, it just helps me want to start my day. I use the restroom, and then I feed Choka. Now it is coffee time. I like to brew my coffee before I walk my dog. That way when I come back from walking my dog, my coffee is there ready for me. It's all about setting the tone for your day, and I like to use the Hamilton Beach coffee maker. Setting the mood for your day is so important. So to do this, I normally like to light a candle. That way when I come back from my walk, my apartment smells really good. I like to play some really nice music. Okay, Google, play instrumental Christmas jazz music. You heard me. I said instrumental Christmas jazz music. Christmas music makes me so happy, so I listen to it literally every morning. Instrumental, of course, so I'm not that crazy. And that way when I come back into my apartment, it smells good and it's warm and inviting. So that's just a huge part of setting the mood. I like to walk my dog, and while I'm walking him, I like to just take in all the little ducks and squirrels around me. This dog body mist has been such a lifesaver. Anytime Choka is in between washes, this just helps him smell good, and he doesn't mind it. Sit. 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 Good boy. Sit. That's a good boy. Nice. 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 Good boy. Someone was real thirsty. Now it is coffee time. This is my favorite coffee creamer, the Silk Almond Milk Creamer. I usually get the sweet and creamy one, but honestly, I've tried every single one from them and they're so good. I love my coffee with a good amount of cinnamon, and I like to heat up my creamer first for 40 seconds. That way my coffee is super hot and enjoyable. I also like to admire my dog in the morning. Since Alex normally sleeps in, Choka is my morning buddy, and he just makes my morning so much better. I like to open up the patio so Choka can look out on the neighborhood. He loves sitting on his little bed out there, and it makes me so happy just looking at him relax. My next advice for a productive morning is to read or watch something positive. Every morning I like to start off my day by reading the Bible on my Bible app. I'm on the book of Numbers right now, so I like to just read that while I drink my coffee, and this just helps get my mind in the right place for the day, so that I'm just filling my mind with good stuff before I'm checking my social media or getting work done right away. By slowly easing into my morning by reading scripture or reading something that feeds my mind with positivity, just helps my day feel so much better. I also recommend doing this before like checking your social media or scrolling on Instagram. I'm not allowed to check Instagram until the first hour of my morning is done. And then next, I like to read this book. My mom actually got it for me, and it's called The Power of a Praying Wife by Stormy Amartian. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I love this book so far. I've been reading one chapter every morning, and I'll just have my little pink highlighter ready so that I can highlight any important information or topics that I, want to look back on later. So this just really helps, again, feed my mind with something positive. And this is me praying. I never realized how angry I look when I pray, but definitely recommend praying or just calming your mind for the day. I also like to just watch my dog look out at the sun, just pondering on life. Once I do all of my reading for the day, that's when I'm allowed to check my emails and social handles and answer to any YouTube comments. But I find that if I do this first thing in the morning, it can not be the best, especially if I get a rude comment or something. So I like to save that last. The next step is to make a to-do list. I do this on days when I know that I have a lot to get done, and it just helps me not feel so stressed about it by just writing everything down. I like to put little check boxes next to it. That way I can check off things that I do as they go, and it just makes me feel way more accomplished and ready for the day. This also helps me prioritize things that I really need to get done right away, things that can wait for tomorrow. And just getting it all out on paper helps me just to remember everything and just, be more clear in my head, if that makes sense. Get ready for the day. This is so important, especially if you're working from home. It's so easy to just sit in your pajamas for hours at a time, but I'm telling you, getting ready will help you feel so much more productive. So I like to pick out a cute pair of sweatpants and a matching sweatshirt. I swear, this is like my most used section in my closet, all of my sweatshirts. I also suggest just making sure that you're matching for the day, wearing something that isn't clashing. For me, it just helps me feel more productive. And now it's time to wash my face, brush my teeth. Sometimes I shower in the morning, but today I showered really late last night, so that's why I didn't shower today. But you could definitely do that. That honestly just really helps me get in the right mindset. I'll brush my teeth. And a fun fact about me, it's actually not fun. Alex hates it, but I can never sit still when I'm brushing my teeth. I'm constantly walking back and forth. The thought of locking myself in a bathroom for 3 minutes and brushing my teeth drives me crazy. So I'm constantly walking back and forth. Weird random fact about me. And next, I'm using the super high grade dental floss to floss my teeth. Just kidding. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And make sure to use some mouthwash. Now it's time to do my makeup and hair. So normally on days, I don't like to full on style my hair on a daily basis, but I at least like to brush it or pull it out of my face, get my hair out of the way. So I definitely recommend doing this. Doing your hair doesn't mean doing an extravagant hair look, but just make sure you comb it, make sure you feel put together. Whenever my hair is sloppy, I just feel sloppy. So most days I opt for just a slick back ponytail. Skincare is so important. Make sure you're doing your skincare even through quarantine, even when you're not going anywhere. I like to use my vitamin C serum, my setting spray, and my moisturizer. Also, don't forget SPF. Even if you're staying inside all day, always use SPF. So some days I'll stop here and just have my skin feeling fresh. But on days when I want to feel a little bit more put together, I'll put a little bit of makeup on. Most of the time that consists of some brow gel, a little bit of spot correcting with some concealer. I have a full-on in-depth like no makeup look that I can link down below if you want like a quick, easy, everyday makeup look that's more in-depth. Mascara always makes me feel so much better too. It helps me not feel like a little boy. And some cream blush just helps me feel more awake and ready for the day. And our makeup is done. Picking out jewelry is so important for me personally. On days, especially when I'm not wearing makeup, I mean, I know today I did, but jewelry will help me just feel more put together even with no concealer or anything. So I just like to pick up pieces that make me happy and then get dressed. And now I feel ready for the day. Fragrance is so important too. Smells just make me feel more productive. I like to go with a smell that makes me feel happy. So today I went with J'adore by Dior. A nice body mist could go good, or even a good smelling lotion. I feel like smelling good can help you feel more productive. I also find that cleaning up as you go throughout the day just makes you feel better. So I hate walking past my room and seeing a messy vanity. So I'll just put my makeup away. And again, it just helps me feel more productive. You guys, so that wraps it up for my morning routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, just enjoyed seeing what my morning is like on a day-to-day. It's different here and there. Sometimes I will shower in the morning and have like a morning spa day. Sometimes if I shower late, I won't. So it's just different, but for the most part, everything else is pretty routine, and this just helps me get in the mindset for a good, productive day where I can get stuff done. I feel good, I feel put together, and I just feel ready to take on the rest of my day. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me each week. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe and have an amazing day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!